Cintaku duhai sayang, cinta kita untuk selalu.
I can use this. Yes, let's go.
How did you find me?
I use this.
Do you guys want to know more about monitoring and tracking system?
Let's go.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to Safakurusim and fellow Social Science students. For the short introduction, we are students from the topic class SS8. After weeks of thorough information and preparation, today we'll be presenting one of the ICT application, which is the monitoring and tracking system. In this video, there will be elaborations and examples of the monitoring and tracking system. Please look forward to the presentations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am the secretary of SS8. So I have created the outline for our group, which will include the name of the members and the subtopic they will be covering. So this outline will give you a clear flow and structure of our presentation.
Hi, my name is FAG1003. For the introduction of the monitoring and tracking system, the definition monitoring and tracking system is a real-time technology designed to observe the movement of persons or objects on the move and supplying a timely ordered sequence of location data for further processing. These systems need to have a device that can specify the location and send the location to your device. For example, device that capable of pinpointing precise locations such as GPS camera. For the purpose of the system, the first one, it can monitor the location and activity of an individual. For example, a company may use an employee tracking system to monitor their employees, ensuring they are efficiently managing their schedules and responding promptly to the client needs. For the other purpose, it can ensure individual safety and security, management purpose, crime prevention, and also vehicle monitoring to help with traffic law.
Now let's move on to the types of monitoring and tracking system. First of all, we have Global Positioning System, GPS. GPS tracking is the use of satellites and receivers to track geographic location of a person, vehicle, or other assets. It is used both for tracking and navigation, for example, GPS device installed in each vehicle. Next, we have Radio Frequency Identification, RFID, tracking system. RFID uses radio waves to identify and track objects. RFID tags contain microchips and can be attached to a different item. For instance, RFID tracking system can be found in retail store inventory. Lastly, we have Security Monitoring System. Security monitoring, sometimes referred to as Security Information Monitoring, SIM, involves collecting and analyzing information to detect suspicious behavior on your network and taking actions on alert as needed.
Now we will discuss about the applications of monitoring and tracking system. Firstly is retail applications. Manufacturers and retailers use this system to monitor the movement of goods through the supply chain. RFID tags, barcodes, and GPS devices are used to track the inventory. This will help companies to reduce lost or stolen goods and improve inventory management. For example, inventory tracking systems and security surveillance system. Next is smart cities. Monitoring and tracking system provide the data backbone for smart cities in helping in managing resources efficiently, reducing costs, and enhancing citizens' quality of life. This system transforms traditional cities into intelligent, interconnected ecosystem. For example, traffic flow monitoring and street lighting control system.
Hi, I'm Sabrina. I'm going to talk about future trends of monitoring and tracking system. First of all is digital twin mapping. Digital twin mapping, future platforms might integrate digital twins, virtual representations of physical locations where users can view real-time updates of a friend's exact position within a location, like a shopping mall or airport. This level of real-time tracking could be used for in-person meetups or to follow live events, allowing for shared location-based experiences. Imagine Instagram integrating digital twin technology for high-traffic locations like shopping malls or airports. If you and a friend in the same mall, Instagram could show you an interactive map with both your precise locations. This will allow you to navigate toward each other easily, even if the mall is crowded or large. Second is AI enhanced safety and emergency alerts. As tracking grows more sophisticated, platforms might introduce real-time safety alerts based on users' locations and nearby incidents. For example, in a situation where a user is near an area affected by a sudden event like a fire or severe storm, Instagram could alert them and suggest actions such as safe routes or emergency contacts. The platform might also automatically share the user's locations with designated emergency contacts if the user doesn't respond to safety prompts.
Hello everyone, today I want to highlight the role of computer in monitoring and tracking system. First, let's discuss about the data processing. Computer excel will quickly processing a vast amount of data which allows for a real-time analysis, and this capability is crucial for a timely decision that can significantly impact operational efficiency and success. Next, we have accessibility. With cloud-based system, monitoring data can be accessed from anywhere and enabling remote management and facilitating collaboration among team members, regardless of their location. This flexibility will ensure that critical information is always at our fingertips. Next, we move on to the next part.
Now, let's dive into how IoT is changing tracking and monitoring systems. First, IoT allow real-time monitoring and instant alert. Imagine you are waiting for a package. With IoT, you get notified the moment there's a delay or route change. It's like having a 24/7 tracking assistant keeping an eye on everything. Moving on to my second point, which is IoT allow advanced data analysis and help in better decision making. IoT doesn't just collect data, it also learns from it. For example, by studying pattern over time, IoT can suggest the best time to send out deliveries. This makes decision making smarter because it's based on real patterns, not just assumption.
Hi guys, for your information, there are a few common software tools for monitoring and tracking system. First is the network and infrastructure monitoring, where they track server status and also alert administrator when there occurs a problem, like SolarWinds. And then there's log management and analysis, where this system collect data from various sources like Datadog. And also there's application performance monitoring, where they help identify bottlenecks and also ensure that applications are running efficiently, like New Relic. And the fourth is website monitoring, where they provide insight into visitor traffic, like Google Analytics. And the last is security monitoring, where they scan for vulnerabilities and also maintain system security, like Wireshark.
Benefits of monitoring and tracking system. First, enhance safety and security when using GPS tracking system, which is real-time tracking of vehicles and personnel, allow for immediate response in case of emergency or unauthorized access. Second, predictive maintenance when using sensor-based tracking system, which is sensor data can predict equipment failures, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing downtime. Third, intrusion detection when using security monitoring system, which is security camera and sensor detect and deter intruders, protecting property and personnel. Last but not least, performance optimization when using cloud monitoring system, which is cloud monitoring tools identify performance bottleneck and optimize resource allocation.
Hi, I'm Marsha here. Also for the case study, I've been choose the company of Plus Malaysia Right, which is an industry of infrastructure and transportation. Plus Malaysia do face lots of challenges, but some of it is they aim to improve the efficiency of the management and safety on the highway by providing a tracking system for the drivers. So they do implement a vehicle tracking system that use GPS and sensor. They can track lots of activities on the highways. For example, they can monitor the traffic jam, the accidents that occur, or even the speed of the vehicles. As a result, the safety on the highway will be more better, which is the accident or congestion will be updated in the Plus app. So, as a conclusion, it making the journey of the driver smoother and safer.
Now, I would like to explain about modeling in healthcare. The type of modeling system is discrete event simulation, or DES, is a process used to replicate and simulate real-life operational behavior patterns. There are a few roles of discrete event simulation in improving patient care. First of all, to forecast the impact of changes in patient flow. DES can simulate patient pathways through a hospital or clinic to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Next, resource allocation. DES is used to examine resource needs, such as doctors, nurses, hospital beds, and operating room to ensure that they are available when needed and reducing delay in patient care. Last but not least, planning for emergency scenarios. DES can help hospitals get ready for crises like disease outbreaks and natural disasters.
One of the risks associated with the application of monitoring and tracking system is data breaches and security issue heightens. This is because monitoring and tracking system like keyloggers can log sensitive information like passwords. And if these logs are hacked or leaked, then an unauthorized personnel could have access to confidential information. And this could in turn be very damaging for your company's reputation, or you could potentially lose a consumer trust.
One of the disadvantages of monitoring and tracking system is privacy concern and issues. Constant monitoring can make employees feel watched, leading to a sense of distrust. The next disadvantages of monitoring and tracking system is increased stress and anxiety. Knowing they're being monitored, employees may feel pressured, which can impact their mental well-being and job satisfaction. The last disadvantages of monitoring and tracking system is negative impact on morale. Monitoring highlights even small errors, which can make employees feel micromanaged. This can foster resentment and reduce overall productivity.
Like most things related to technology, monitoring and tracking systems come with its own ethical issues. First of all, there is a problem of privacy invasion. To what degree one's location data is being gathered, kept, and shared may not completely be known to users. This can create a sense of distrust and hesitation from users. Other than that, in terms of data security, inadequate security can leave location data open to hacking. Serious repercussions of unapproved access to this data include identity theft, stalking, and other types of exploitation. Therefore, sensitive data of users must be protected by strong data security methods. Furthermore, when is it appropriate for you to exchange data, and to what degree is that data being used? Sharing location data with advertisers or other organizations should be considered immoral in the absence of explicit rules and user agreement. This is why monitoring and tracking systems should have clear data policies. Organizations should give succinct, unambiguous information about the data being gathered, its intended purpose, and its sharing with others. This openness enables consumers to decide with knowledge whether or not to disclose their location information.
So let me explain about the future challenges that will be faced in monitoring and tracking system. The first challenges is related to cybersecurity sectors. As we all know, monitoring system is one of the attractive target for the cyber attack since they contain a lot of sensitive data that could lead to data loss, manipulation, or theft. The second one is about the accuracy. Ensuring accurate tracking data is very crucial, especially for application in healthcare and autonomous vehicle. Inaccurate data can lead to poor decision-making and life-threatening situation. The last challenge is privacy and data security. Monitoring system often collect sensitive data about individual devices or even environment that will raise the privacy concern. Thank you.
That's it, folks, for our presentation. In summary, monitoring and tracking system is a technological tool used to oversee and manage various activities or assets in real time. Overall, monitoring and tracking system plays an essential role in our daily lives. Examples include GPS, RFID, and security monitoring, which are widely used in fields like logistics, environmental management, and healthcare. Though monitoring and tracking system comes with few minor concerns like privacy and trust issues, they still play a vital role in boosting efficiency, accuracy, and overall insights. It's about finding balance and making informed choices in our tech-driven world. In the end, it's in your hands to use it responsibly.
I'm Alia. Hello, I'm Amila, and we are Slide Editor.
Hello, my name is Luman, and I am the video editor.